Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your ultimate hub for the coolest rides on the road. Today, we're diving into something truly massive, luxurious, and made for the long haul. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This beast is a fusion of power and comfort. Starting with the chassis, it's built on the legendary Kenworth T2000, a truck known for its long-distance capability, fuel efficiency, and aerodynamic design. But this isn't just a big rig. It's been converted into a rolling palace under oar. The hood, you'll typically find a Cummins X15 engine, pushing out over 500 horsepower, paired with a smooth Eaton-Fuller automatic transmission. This setup doesn't just pull weight. It glides with authority on highways, making it perfect for serious travelers or full-time RVers. Now, let's step inside. And this is where the magic happens. The 2025 T2000 Motorhome conversion is nothing short of stunning. Think luxury apartment on wheels, spacious living area, premium leather seating, a full kitchen with high-end appliances, granite countertops, and even a washer-dryer combo. The bedroom? King-size bed, ambient lighting, smart storage, and even a slide-out for extra space. And yes, the bathroom is full-size, with a walk-in shower and top-tier fixtures. Tech-wise, it's loaded. Dual-zone climate control, smart home integration, solar panels on the roof, a full entertainment system with surround sound, and even satellite internet for staying connected off-grid. The ride is incredibly smooth thanks to its air suspension and smart weight distribution. And for those wondering about safety, this motorhome includes lane assist, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and even a tire pressure monitoring system. Now, let's talk price. Depending on the customization, a 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome conversion can range anywhere from $450,000 to over $750,000. Yeah, it's a big number, but you're literally getting a luxury home that can tow just about anything, built on one of the most trusted platforms in the trucking world. To sum it up, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is for those who want to live and travel without compromise. It's rugged, elegant, smart, and built to last. Whether you're chasing sunsets or heading cross-country, this machine is ready. If you enjoyed this review and want more badass vehicle content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. This is Honest Auto Wheels, where the road never ends.